What's up, guys? It's your boy back at you with another video. You get me back in the eBay room. You know what I mean? I've made a lot of changes, so we got a lot to talk about today. This light's blinding me first of all. Um, Now I keep my hair's a mess, I know, but today is being crazy. You get me? It's been crazy for like 2 weeks, guys. Since I last uploaded, it's just been nuts. You get me? So long story short, guys, I took a bit of a break. Everyone knows that who's watched the last few videos. My eBay store, I purposely shrunk my store from about 500 items down to about less than 100. You get me? And I literally, when I got down to that lower number this last couple of weeks, I delisted everything. I basically gave half my stock away to car boot sellers. You get me? And I've kind of started fresh with. I can't have had much more than 40 items left in my clothing store. My hard goods store I've completely rebuilt these last couple of weeks. I've just bought a bunch of cool hard goods and I've been making money there. So basically it's a revamped thing at the minute, guys. I'll just show you my room. It's a bit of a mess right now, but for those of you who've kind of like seen the channel week to week, you'll see what's going on. You get me? Basically I cleared out this, let me move this light because it's messing with the camera. And my light bulb's broke, guys. That's why everything's like this. This is all my clothing that's left now, guys. This little section down here, you get me? Now, if you saw it before, it was a madness. I've got these 2-3 clothes on the floor down here. Some Hera shorts. And I'm just basically, this is the last little death pile of clothes I've got here. There's probably about, I don't know, 20 items there, you get me? I'm listing 20 items, 20 items. 10 items a day at the minute, guys. I'm keeping track of everything on this little board I've got up here. You know what I mean? 10 items a day. Did I say 20 again then? I don't know. But 10 items a day, guys, which is 300 items a month. And I'm really stretching that, guys. I can't actually afford to do 10 items a day right now. I shouldn't be doing 10 items a day right now. All my numbers are telling me not to do 10 items a day right now. But I like to push the limits, first of all. Second of all, guys, I need it right now. I needed it to be kick-started into action because that job I had a couple of weeks back in the last video, guys, that job left. That job's gone. Yeah, I got fired from that job. I've done videos in between this, but I don't know if I'm uploading them to this point. Mainly because I just went on, every time this happens to me, guys, I just come off YouTube because I'm sick and tired of eating my words. But also what I'm sick and tired of, I've been thinking about it these last couple of weeks, is losing momentum. And that's why I kind of kick-started my store again because, alright, let me just talk my way through this. I got to making about $4 grand a month, yeah. Along with this YouTube channel, I was earning decent money and I burnt out, I stopped, I was going to get a job so I can do the both together. Job, eBay, stack money, rich, freedom, all that, you get me. And I can't do the job bit, guys. I can't hold down the job part. And I always knew I can't hold down a job. Like, fucking hell. I'm 30 years old. I'm still out here selling shit on eBay. Obviously, I can't hold down a job. But, like, I need the job to make this work. Do you know what I'm saying? To make it work in the way I want. Now, the funny thing is, guys, in theory, I don't need a job. I make enough. I've figured out how to be broke. I make more money when I'm broke. And that sounds stupid. I've got no job right now, and I have more money right now than I had before. And the problem is saving it. Like, the money's in and then it's out on my rent, and it's just mad. You know what I mean? Anyone who's in a hustler world, you make your own money. You know the numbers. They're nuts, fam. The more money you fucking make, the more goes out. And that's the dilemma I'm stuck in, guys. Like, I'm not starving. Like, I'm making enough money. I'm making more than I was when I had my job. The problem is I can't save the money. I'm not disciplined enough to make it work without a job. Like, it doesn't seem to matter how much I earn. I'm not good at that. So, and it's stressing me out, guys, because I've kind of made this whole channel about me keeping a job. You know what I mean? And it's not about me keeping a job. It's about my eBay. This channel's about my eBay. But this kind of all goes to shit without me having a job, you know what I mean? Especially especially on the theory side, you get me? I can come on YouTube and make videos of how I survive, you get me? But that's not, this channel ain't a survival channel. I'm not out here showing you guys how to survive. I'm actually out here trying to fucking break free, you get me? And that's why I'm not recording like all the time, guys, because most of the time I'm not breaking free. Most of the time I'm just surviving, you get me? And it's funny because I probably survive better than most, you get me? But that's just because I'm a hustler, you get me? But that don't make it, I feel like I'm doing you a wrong just posting these videos and I'm just out here literally surviving, you know what I mean? It's mad like how broke I am. Yeah, me, I'm out here doing YouTube videos on how to make money. So, guys, that's basically my dilemma. So I need to find a way to just transition into just making videos and stop thinking too much about, oh, I'm not doing well right now, so let me disappear. I'm just gonna keep making videos, guys, and do my best, you get me? And just be honest and talk to you guys. And if this journey takes 10 years, this journey takes 10 years because I'm always going to be doing eBay, you get me? If I stop doing eBay, we starve. That's the truth of it, guys. So, a few changes have happened. I've gutted out this bedroom, you get me? Literally emptied the ting, you know what I mean? Hopefully one day we'll get out of here anyway and be in the office. But also, guys, big change. I registered as a business. For a couple reasons. One, I should have done it anyway, because being self-employed, it's just basically, it's added another step. I had to be self-employed and now I have to transition to being a business. I should have just gone straight to being a business. Second of all, you get protections as a business. You get me? And the main reason I wanted to switch to a business is to lower the harassment from the job centre. Because I keep talking about this, guys. Right now I'm stuck in this like scumbag middle ground, you get me, where like I don't quite get the respect a business owner gets, but I shouldn't because I'm not disciplined enough to get the respect that a business owner gets. But like, I am a legit business. I'm just stuck in the middle right now, guys. I'm broke and I've got money at the same time. How the fuck does that even work? You get me? But that's where I'm at. You know what I mean? So I registered as a business to lower the harassment of the job centre. I was hoping I wouldn't have to like report my earnings so much, but it seems like I might have to do that anyway, so I might have fucked up on like my understanding of things. So it's a bit of a transition at the minute, guys. I'm now a legitimate business. I'm trying to hire my partner to reduce harassment on her behalf in the job centre, because basically the job centre, they want her to work and they want me to work, and we kind of, well, this time a few weeks ago she didn't want to work. But now, after me losing this job, I'm about to get another job as well, guys. I'm just to add that in quick. This Monday, I've got an interview, so I've only been out of work less than 2 weeks. But this is a constant cycle, guys. 3 weeks in work, 2 weeks out. 2 months in work, 2 months out. It's just constant, you get me? Anyway, I'm going back to work again now. Or I'm going to try and fall back into work because I just decided not to stress. I'm going to get my eBay money and I'm not going to allow this in and out of work shit to affect my eBay. I'm just going to keep pumping eBay. If I can fall in and out of work, that's enough money anyway. If I can keep falling in and out of work, we'll get by. We might be able to escape. On top of that, my partner's going to go get a little part-time job on like a Saturday and Sunday thing. Not even to make it easier on me, because she wants a bit of extra cash, you get me? It's all going to come into the same pot. It is going to make it easier on me. It's going to make everything easier because it's a little bit extra money. So, guys, I'm just kind of trying to fall in the right direction, and I want to keep these videos coming because I don't want to fall behind again. I keep getting little successes, and then, you know what I mean, I'm just going to keep things running, you know what I mean? So, prepare to see how I really be living in these videos from now on, guys, because I'm about to drag y'all into this scumbag realm that I'll be operating in, you know what I mean? So, today's Friday, guys. I've just finished my 10 listings. I actually did like 13 today, but some of them was like, yeah, some of my listings was basically like auctions that had ended from like, which had listed anyway. Because right now, guys, basically I'm kind of in a process of fixing some old listings and shit. So it's a bit shit right now. I haven't got the best stock, but I've made really good money these last few weeks, guys. I've been pushing it. I lost my job, right, like 2 weeks back, and fucking, it's funny because whenever I lose a job, I make so much more money. Like, it's the desperation, because this week I've made more than my wage. Yeah, more than I would have made off my wage, but obviously it kind of cancels it negates itself, because yeah, I made more than my wage, but that's technically my eBay money. That should be in a savings pot, not going to Aldi's to feed my children and keeping the lights on. So I made more than my wage, but technically I'm in the negative because I've spent the eBay money on myself and my family, which is what it's for, but it's not what it's for, because it's a business. It's one of them, innit, guys? But anyway, I've made more this week. I've sold a bunch of stuff. I sold this today. This is it's like a turntable thing. Just like a hi-fi system. It's got the cassette. Yeah, it's got the cassette and the turntable at the top. I got like a bunch of them actually. Let me turn this camera around because it is hella dark over here. I got this other one down here, like a Sony. I've been using this one. I've been burning CDs, I went to the charity shop, got myself some old school CDs, just CDs, blank CDs, and I've been making CDs and blasting them out here whilst listening, you get me? So, yeah, I've been smashing out these hi-fi things. I sold that one, that got cancelled, for 60. Anyway, I sold this one for 30. I got that for free. I've been flying fucking VHS off the shelf for like 30, 40 quid. It's been mad. Electricals is the way, guys. I'm slowly transitioning into electricals, more so than clothes. It will probably end up being, I'll probably end up being a hard goods seller with a few clothing. Because clothes, the hard goods is a madness. Like, I could sell 4 hard goods for the same price. I would sell 10 pairs of clothes. And I'm good at finding I'm good at finding everything, to be honest. But electricals is definitely easier to find a higher ASP, average sale price, you get me? So guys, that's basically where we're up to. Revamping of the room, you get me? You guys have seen this process about 8 times right now. This is why it's a bit cringy for me, guys, because I don't like to eat my words, you get me? And when I do, I just go ghost. I do this in real life too. None of my boys have seen me for about 15 years, because I'm entering this cycle of hard work, and then I fuck up my own hard work, and then I go back, and I've been missing for about 18 years in real life. Never mind on YouTube. So guys, there's a shithole right now. I've got to sort out all these boxes. It's a bit mad, but I appreciate everyone who rolled through, anyone who's watching, subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'm going to be doing the best to improve my own circumstance so I can help more people on here. But I'm determined, guys, I'm always going to be doing eBay. All I need is everything to line up. I need the stars, the moon, fucking all them extra planets out there which the scientists have discovered. I need all that shit to line up. And when it lines up perfect, yeah, I'm out of this bitch. You get me? Because the problem is, every time I get a job, I've lost momentum. The last time I got a job, I had stopped eBay, or I burnt out of eBay and I stopped. I got pissed off, was like, fuck it, I'm just putting everything on hold. I'm going to get a job and then we'll restart. The problem in that is I lost momentum. When I had the job, there was virtually no money coming in. What I need is to hit the ground running. Keep eBay going no matter what. Fall into a job for short periods of time, long period of time, don't matter. Allow the money to roll in, and in these 2 months, 3 months I have a job. That's it. 2-3 months of ball rolling eBay money is me out of this motherfucker. You get me? And if I lose that job, then I'll fall into another one, and the money just keeps, you know what I mean? It's a game, guys. I feel like I'm playing a mad game, and it's just, I'm shit at it. I keep fucking losing, you get me? But there's only so many times you can lose before you win, right? Or I'll just be a perpetual loser until the day I die. But if that's the case, I'll just be a perpetual loser till the day I die, fam. You get me? I'll just keep eating my fucking words, and hopefully one time I won't have to eat my words no more. But other than that, guys, I am going now because I have a bad habit of doing this too. Keep talking shit. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. No advice in this video because I'm not in no position to help anyone right now. You get me? But other than that, I appreciate y'all. I'll see you on the next one.